Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. In this particular video guys, I believe this is something that most of us are really finding difficult to do. So this is why I think it is better I discuss this in this particular video. Where and how you can be able to avoid paper holding your funds whenever you receive a payment. This is an issue which I know that most of us are really finding difficult, especially for those that are first time earners with PayPal. So in this particular video, I will advise you, in order to get every detailed information which I'll be discussing in this video, I will advise you watch this video to the end, actually to learn all the things I'll be talking about, implementing them to your own standard, and also following up to avoid paper holding your funds. So this is what I'll be talking about in this video. So please do not forget to please click on the like button, and do not forget to please subscribe to show us some love. And for more informative content, I will advise you turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever we drop any valuable content just like this. See you in the video. So guys, welcome to this video. As I already stated in the intro, that this video is actually going to be teaching you how you can be able to make your account or avoid PayPal withholding your funds whenever it's being sent to you. So the things you need to know. So I'll be illustrating it with this video, with this account which I already verified for a client, and what I did in order to withdraw his fund, and how I helped him set his account from PayPal withholding their funds. So actually, number one thing you need to understand is, before you can able to use PayPal, you have to make sure that your account is fully verified, because that is the number one thing you need to do. So this account was created for a client, and I also make sure that it was fully verified. So, and the payment was actually sent to him. This was the payment that was sent to him. So once the payment sent to him, payment have to send him a mail that the amount will be kept on hold. So once this amount was actually kept on hold, PayPal have to hold it, because it was a new seller and a new account, that whenever a money is sent to a new account, it have to be kept on hold for 21 days. So I'll be showing what I need, how I did in order to free this amount, and how the amount was actually withdrawn to my account within 3 days. So I logged into my account. Actually, when I logged into this account, I noticed that the money that was sent to him was actually sent as a goods and services money, which means I just have to make sure that since it's a goods and services, meaning it's either a physical product, so I have to make sure that I change the status of the shipment to shipped, because this is how I did. The number one steps I took was actually go to the money that was kept on hold, went to the description below, and change the status to shipped item. So once I clicked on the shipped item, I got a notification that the items has been shipped. As you can see, this is the notification I got. So after this was actually sent to me, I got another mail that they are already transferring my money to my bank account. So I'll need to explain why you need to avoid PayPal holding your funds whenever you receive any payment, especially as a new seller. Make sure you tell anybody sending you the fund to make sure he writes a clear description what the money is for, because that is number one thing you need to know. As you can see, these are the criteria laid down by PayPal. These are things you need to do. The money has to have a clear description, and take note of this: avoid anybody sending you payments to use a description such as gifts, software, or anything that seems to be like a visual ghost under the description, because PayPal is against using a business account to send gifts to any person, because they believe if you are willing to receive anything as gift, it is better you receive that in your personal account. So since it's a business account, your description has to be for business purposes only. So I will advise you clearly state this to the person sending you any amount, to take note, to avoid them holding your funds. Secondly, whenever an amount is sent to you, I will advise you go to the description of that amount and change the amount, the item to be a shipped item, because this is what I really saved the amount that was sent to this account. Change it to a shipped item, so within 3 days PayPal will be able to release your funds, instead of waiting for the 21 days that is included to it. So these are the things you need to take note. And the third one, I believe, is very clear. You have to be communicating with your customer in a rightful manner. So guys, I believe you've gotten a value from what I've discussed in this video. So all I will advise you to do is to implement them with your account, and also inform anybody that is about to make payments to you to also follow these instructions. So in order to do that, you have to make sure that you follow the standard rules to avoid PayPal terminating your account or limiting them, because whenever your account is always put on hold because of funds, like whenever your phone is always on held by PayPal, it gets to a stage that PayPal will have to terminate the account, believing that your account is mainly for a fraudulent activity. So I will advise follow the instructions I just discussed in this video and implement them for success. Do not forget to please like, subscribe and share. I got a notification that I have so many viewers without people subscribing. Please, you guys, to please show me the love by the value content I'll be dropping in this channel. To please click to like my channel, and also please do not forget to subscribe, because the more you subscribe, it gives me the zeal to drop more valuable content just as the one you just finished watching. So please subscribe, guys. See you guys in my next video, and I bet you guys this next video is going to be what you don't want to miss. So guys, love you, bye for now, and do not forget, hit on the subscribe button, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.